They say you can't have it all. The peace of nature, the pulse of a city, and the luxury of wide open space. But today, I'm standing in a place that proves they were wrong. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat ng nanonood, especially sa ating mga kababayan abroad in the US, the Europe, Middle East, and of course, our local investors here in the Philippines. Welcome to Trava at Greenfield City. This is Giselle of Lavender Locks Estates, and today, we're not just looking at a subdivision. We're looking at the future of the South lifestyle. If you've been searching for that perfect balance between a sanctuary and a smart investment, stay tuned. I'm standing here sa entrance ng Trava. This is the flagship luxury project of Greenfield Deluxe inside Greenfield City, Santa Rosa. And alam nyo, whenever people ask me, where's the best place to invest here in the South? Ito agad yung pumapasok sa isip ko. Bakit? Because we're not just talking about a subdivision. We're talking about a 33-hectare premier sustainable forest. Imagine guys, halos 45% of the entire development is dedicated to open spaces. Sa Manila, bawat inch semento, but dito, bawat inch humihinga. It's a breath of fresh air, literally. So bago tayo pumasok sa gate ng Trava, tignan muna natin kung nasaan tayo. We are inside Greenfield City, and ang catchphrase nila, a city within a park. At totoo naman, di ba? Sobrang luwag. Greenfield City is basically the gateway. High-end communities are popping up left and right, but Trava is at the heart of it. We are just a few minutes away from the Calax or the Cavite-Laguna Expressway and South Luzon Expressway. Kung nagtatrabaho kayo sa Makati or Alabang, it's a very manageable drive. And for the families, everything is within reach. Paseo Outlets is right there for your shopping fix, and we have top-tier schools nearby like the Xavier School, New Valley, and De La Salle Canlubang. And sabi nga nila, city living in a park setting. So you get the convenience of an urban hub, pero pag uwi mo, tahimik, no city noise, just the sound of the wind. So this is the community that surrounds your future home. And let's talk about the project itself. Trava is the flagship luxury project of Greenfield Deluxe. So the first thing you notice, the space. In an era where lots are getting smaller and smaller, Trava goes the opposite direction. And notice this guys, wala kayong makikitang hindi magaganda na kable ng kuryente sa taas. Everything is underground. And bakit ito mahalaga? Bukod sa maganda sa picture, yes, mas safe ito at mas less maintenance pagdating sa bagyo. Ang lot sizes dito hindi tinipid. We're talking about 550 to 750 square meters. Kasya na ang dream house mo, may garden ka pa, at pool for the kids. Plus, halos 50% ng buong subdivision ay dedicated sa parks at open spaces. And hindi lang ito subdivision na, it's a sanctuary. And ang design philosophy dito is modern tropical. Yung tipong kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay, feeling mo connected ka pa rin sa nature. Imagine, ang backyard mo is 400-hectare master plan city. Kapag gusto mong mag-shopping o mag-grocery, minutes away lang ang katulad ng mga nasabi ko kanina like the Paseo Outlets, Laguna Central, at Arcadia. So, nandiyan ang Shopwise, Landmark, at mga premium restaurants. Everything you need is literally just around the corner. Okay, let's go to my favorite part, the clubhouse. This is designed by Leandro Viloxin Partners, one of the biggest names in architecture. The design, look at the glass. It's designed to let natural light in, so less electricity consumption. And the swimming pool, we have a 25-meter lap pool, perfect for those hot summer days or just for your morning laps. For fitness and wellness, my fully equipped gym, dance studio, and even a tennis court and a basketball court. Imagine hosting your parties here. Sobrang sosyal pero very cozy. It doesn't feel like a stiff hotel. It feels like a high-end resort na property mo. Analyze naman natin para kanino ba ang Trava. Based sa mga clients namin, tatlo yung main types ng mga clients. First, we have the legacy builders. Yan yung mga pamilyang galing Alabang or Metro Manila na gusto ng upgrade. Gusto nila ng mas malaking lupa para sa garden o private pool para sa mga anak nila. And second type ng client is yung mga modern executives. Yung mga nagtatrabaho sa Makati or BGC pero ayaw nang tumira sa concrete jungle. With Calax and SLEX, ang lapit-lapit na lang ng biyahe. Third, the smart investors. Guys, listen, Greenfield City is being dubbed as the new Alabang. Yung presyo ngayon, tataas pa yan as the development matures. It's a secure place to park your hard-earned money. And when it comes naman to investment, here are the reasons why hindi bababa yung value ng property mo. And if you ask me why, it is because of the institutions like the schools. Napapaligiran tayo ng Ivy League of the South. Nandiyan ang DLSU Laguna, Don Bosco, Saint Scholastica at Xavier School. Your kids get the best education without the long commute. And for the health, sobrang lapit lang din ng mga hospitals dito like the Medical City of the South. And for your leisure, para sa mga mahilig naman mag-golf, we have here the Canlubang Golf and Country Club. It's just nearby. So this ecosystem makes the property rental ready for expats and high-income families. And if you will ask me, bakit ito mag-i-impact sa investment? Dahil sa mga school na ito, laging merong demand for high-end housing. Kahit end user ka, panalo ka dahil hindi kailangan gumising ng 4 a.m. yung mga anak mo para pumasok. And for the health conscious, ang Medical City South, it's very accessible. Ang value ng lupa rito, hindi lang tumataas dahil sa semento. Tumataas ito dahil dun sa quality of life. And what excites me the most, Greenfield Development Corporation is not stopping. Marami pang office towers at upscale retail strips ang itatayo here. So habang mas nagiging accessible ang Calax, mas lalong nagiging prime ang Santa Rosa. So buying here in Trava today is like buying a piece of the future. Hindi ka lang bumibili ng lupa, bumibili ka ng position sa susunod na business hub here in the Philippines. And let's compare guys, prices in Alabang are now at 150,000 to 200,000 square meters. Trava is still a growth stage compared to those established areas, but with the same, or should I say better, amenities. So you are entering at the right time before the next price surge of 2027. Next is yung University Belt of the South. Parents, if you are watching, listen. Within a 10-kilometer radius, you have the Xavier School New Valley and Everest Academy. We also have the De La Salle University Laguna campus, which is expanding its research hub. We have the UST Santa Rosa, now fully operational this year, 2026. And we also have the Saint Scholastica's College. So yung impact nito kapag malapit yung top-tier schools, ang rental demand ng area ay guaranteed. And high-income faculty and expat families will always look for housing near these institutions. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa harap ng isa sa aming mga model houses. So, trivia lang guys, itong unit na papasukin natin is actually for sale. So, kung gusto niyo ng move-in ready and ayaw niyo na dumaan sa stress ng construction, this is for you. Pero even if you are planning to buy a lot only dito sa Trava, I highly suggest na sumama kayo sa tour na to. This will give you a concrete idea kung gaano kalawak ang 550 square meters at kung anong klaseng modern tropical design ang bagay sa lifestyle nyo rito. So, let's go! So, welcome! So, actually guys, merong dalawang model house si Trava and we are here at the model house number 1. And as you enter guys, sasalubong sa'yo, meron agad ditong bedroom and meron ditong storage room. So, dito, if meron kayong mga elders na hindi na kayang umakyat ng hagdan, though meron naman tayong elevator, meron ditong isang bedroom. So as you can see guys, this is a fully furnished bedroom. Nilagyan nila ng TV, ng cabinet, and of course, meron na rin ditong toilet and bath. And as we go out of this bedroom, sasalubong naman sa inyo itong, of course, the living room. A very spacious living room na meron ng glass door. So for example, air-conditioned itong living room nyo, pwede nyo itong lagyan ng harang or ng glass door. And of course, guys, welcome to the living room, the dining room, and of course, meron tayo ditong garden. I will give you a very quick tour lang dito sa my living area. Guys, what's my favorite part about this living room is its high ceiling. As you can see, merong chandelier, merong glass, and of course, naglagay dito ng mga furniture. But of course, yung mga sinasabi ko is depende pa rin sa preference nyo ng interior. And of course, guys, dito, meron ditong window, naglagay sila ng window para meron kang view ng garden. And of course, guys, the dining area. Imagine kumakain kayo dito, meron kayong view dito sa labas. And this is the glass door. And as you can see guys, meron din ditong family area. So actually guys, if you want to have a quick cup of tea or quick cup of coffee with your family and friends, pwede ka dito. Plus, meron ka pa ring view or access dun sa may living area mo. Actually guys, this is a mini garden. So for example, di ba, a lot of our clients request na meron talaga silang lalakaran na garden. But this is optional because some of our clients naman, gusto nila merong swimming pool. So ikaw bahala kung ano gusto mong gawin. But ito, extra lot mo siya. Kasama siya sa lot na bibilhin mo. And very fresco, as you can see, very full of greenery, very spacious, perfect for families like you. And one of the best things about this model house, guys, marami siyang access. And I will show it to you. Etong daan na to dito sa may back door, papunta to sa kitchen area. So let's go, papakita ko sa inyo. And before pala tayo pumunta sa kitchen area, I would like to show you guys that dito, meron ditong driver's quarter or maid's quarter. And one of the best thing about it is meron silang sariling sink. And dito guys, I would like to emphasize lang din, no, that in this part, there are two sources of electricity. This one is solar and this one is line. And of course, I'm also emphasizing that this property here in Trava is eco-friendly. Yung water storage, nandito siya. So kapag umuulan or may mga tubig na naiipon, dito siya nai-store. So this water storage can fill up to 8 cubic meters. So imagine guys, that is eco-friendly and merong napupuntahan yung water. So hindi lang siya na-waste, hindi bumabaha dito sa property na to dahil meron siyang sariling storage. And of course, now let's proceed na to the kitchen area. And welcome guys to the daily kitchen. So ito yung mga pang-araw-araw na kitchen na ginagamit natin or for the maids. So ang kagandahan dito guys, meron ding access yung mga driver or yung mga maids natin. And one of my favorite parts about here is meron din silang sariling kitchen sink, kitchen island, meron silang sariling stove, built-in cabinets, and the best thing about it guys, meron silang sariling pinto. And for example guys, aalis kayo, pwede nyong ilock tong pinto para yung access nila is dito lang sa may sarili nila. And of course here, you will still have your own privacy. And of course guys, this is your private kitchen. As you can see guys, naglagay dito ng mga modular cabinets, ng range hood, kitchen stove, and of course, one of my favorite, the island kitchen. So here, ito yung mga pwede mong gawin sa kitchen mo once you enter Trava or once you have your own house and lot here in Trava. And of course, yung mga appliances naka-built-in na rin, we have the oven, the microwave, and the refrigerator. And ngayon naman guys, pupunta naman tayo sa second floor and I will show you that it is possible through an elevator. So see you at the second floor. Welcome guys to the second floor. Diba kapag meron kayo mga elderly, pwede na silang hindi umakyat ng hagdan because we have an elevator. So here naman, meron dito sariling open space. You can turn this into a living room or a study area, just like what we did here. So meron ditong pwedeng mga libro. Plus, of course, I will show you the bedroom here. Welcome to the one of the bedrooms here. So eto, pwede dito yung mga, kung meron kayong family like mga anak, pwede sila dito. And ang maganda dito guys, you can have a view outside. So of course, di ba, pagkagising mo, gusto mo meron kang view. And one of the best thing about this room is meron siyang access dito sa kanyang closet area. So here guys, meron siyang sariling mini closet area plus nilagyan nila ng glass and ng chair. So punta naman tayo sa next bedroom. Actually, katapat lang siya nitong isang bedroom. So, this is the second room. Actually, guys, very spacious din to. Katulad lang siya dun sa kabilang room, but there, wala kasi dong toilet and bath. But here, meron din ditong mini closet plus, I will show you the toilet and bath. And it's here. So, yung toilet and bath dito sa second room is very spacious din. Meron ditong enclosed shower door and yung sink. And ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa third bedroom. Now, let's go to one of my favorite bedroom. So, actually, guys, as you can see, di ba, very spacious. Plus, ito yung glass panel. Nakita mo yung ground floor. And, guys, welcome to my favorite bedroom. This is my favorite room and I will show you why. Because here, sa sarili mong kwarto, meron ka din ditong sarili mong living area. So as you can see, kapag gumising ka sa umaga, pwede ka ditong maglagay ng television or pwede kang magbasa ng libro. Basta meron ka ditong sarili mong living area. And of course, one of my favorite part is this. Meron ka na ring access papunta sa iyong bedroom. So imagine waking up from your bed, meron ka na rin agad access papunta sa iyong shower area and your mini walk-in closet. So dito guys, very spacious dahil ito yung master bedroom. Meron ditong enclosed shower doors para dun sa hindi mababasa kapag nag-shower ka. And of course, as yung mga girly dyan, di ba, yung mga wife nyo, favorite part ito, the walk-in closet. So as you can see, marami ditong cabinets, built-in cabinets, plus meron ditong mirror, or pwede mo siya gawing vanity wall. And of course, meron din ditong his and hers na sink. And of course, imagine guys, pagkagising mo sa umaga, you want a breath of fresh air, i-open mo lang to and you will have an access to the balcony. You will have a view as beautiful as this. So, di ba, hindi agad city yung makikita mo kung hindi nature. A wide open spaces brought to you by Greenfield Development because talaga namang ang tagline nila is a city within a park or yung nature vibes talaga. Full of greeneries, guys. Hindi puro buildings. Plus, meron ka rin access sa sarili mong garden. So, pwede mong tignan yung sarili mong pool or yung garden. And that's the best thing about here in Trava. You can have an access dun sa mga greeneries, yung nature vibes ng city. And hindi buildings, hindi congested yung makikita mo every time you wake up. So, as we go out of the bedroom, ito yung elevator. Dito tayo lumabas kanina. And katabi nito is yung stairs papunta sa attic. And guys, yung attic dito, hindi siya katulad ng mga traditional na attic. Meron ditong view sa outside ng bahay mo. Let's go, akyat tayo. So, welcome to the attic, guys. As you can see, as I mentioned kanina, no, hindi siya yung traditional na attic. As you can see, nilagyan din nila dito ng air conditioning unit. As you can see, very mataas pa yung ceiling niya. And dito mapapansin nyo, guys, ginawa siyang office. So, that gives you an idea na itong extra space na to, pwede siya going office or pwede ka dito maglagay ng pool table or it can be also an entertainment area for your family. And here guys, wow, it's very mahangin, very malamig, very presko because it has an open space, an extra space for families and friends or kung gusto mo lang nang meron ka ditong maliit na table every time you drink coffee. Plus, you can have the view of the entire Trava. Kita mo dito yung clubhouse, kita mo yung mga kapitbahay mo, but it's not congested, it's not crowded, it's very full of open space. That is the end of our very quick house tour. Trava offers generous lot sizes and we are talking about 550 to 750 plus square meters. And malalaki ito guys. You have enough space for a garden, a private pool, and a multi-car garage. So why invest now? Because Santa Rosa is the fastest growing hub here in Laguna. Property values here have been skyrocketing. And buying a lot here in Trava today isn't just buying a place to stay. It's a land banking move. 10 years from now, you'll thank yourself that you grabbed a piece of this prime land while it was still at this price point. Trava is for those who want to be ahead of the curve. Ayaw mo yung kailan mahal na, nagsisiksikan na, tsaka ka palang papasok. So if you want to see the available lots or talk about the payment terms, my contact details are in the description box. Like and subscribe for more property updates. This is Giselle of Lavender Locks Estate. See you here in this out. Bye!